Call Halal Yahweh, Bahashib Yahweh Shai, Bahashib Rikakradash. Salutations to the 1/3, the sealed elect, the 144,000 saints, the elders, apostles, and the prophets of the house of David. Shalom. Well, I need to put me some damn shoes on, man. Woo, boy, the most high. Look at this here. Can't even get out the driveway. 3 trees fell in my yard. I ain't got no sunlight, no electricity. And it's hot, boss. It's hot out here. Look at my street, man. Every tree gone. Every tree gone. It used to be so shady around here in a good way. Now we ain't got no more shade. What's that, a cat under here? Oh, that's you under that piece? I didn't even know you was outside. You say, fuck that, I ain't staying in this house. It's hot as a motherfucker in there. Oh, man. Yeah, this is what when sunlight came, this is what I came outside to. I didn't sleep last night. And when I say I didn't sleep at all, man. Oh, shit. And I'm tired. Tired. One of my partners came to get me this morning. We couldn't get but a couple of blocks though, because trees everywhere, man. That whole city fucked up, man. You know? Trees everywhere. Blew the fly swatter away. Father, I love you, but I can't do this sunlight right now. I ain't trying to hide. I know I can't hide. Shit. Ugh. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for the night. I don't want to be in here with no fucking candles, man. That was a crazy experience last night. Me and the dogs. 2 trees hit the house. Look at that. That's full of water. Look at that shit. I was so paranoid. I put all 3 of my mama dogs, well, my brothers and sisters, in the tub, and I put a sheet in the tub first. I say, man, if this fucking roof cave in, they little dogs. I was just gonna wrap them all up in the sheet and get out the fucking house. I don't know where we was gonna go. It didn't start raining till around 5:30, you know. This cat this morning, man, so I'm talking about it is really messed up out here. Stores, everything. Well, associate of mine tried to get me to do some looting today. I didn't even know he was that type of dude. That's my partner. That's my little brother partner. He came to check on me. Cause he told me I could have stayed with him and his family for the night. But I stayed here with the dogs, man. Fuck it. You know. It got real interesting last night. You know. I was kind of paranoid. Not afraid. I just didn't want this fucking roof to cave in the middle of a hurricane. And I got these damn dogs in here. Where we was gonna go? We was gonna have to go outside, but whatever, man. I think I'm back online. Hopefully I am. And I can start making some phone calls because people been calling me. You know, so let them know I'm all right. which it would be a vain thing to worry about my health, my physical well-being. Can't tell that to a mother though. Call halal Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shah, Bahashem Rikakradash. Salutations to the 1/3, the sealed elect, 144,000 saints, the elders, apostles, and the prophets of the house of David. Shalom.